Why didn't you say I love you or bye or anything?
Just for mine?
Yeah. Why didn't you say goodbye or I love you or talk to you later or anything?
She talked to him a lot last night.
Oh.
I think Mama, she's king of the back.
Yeah, but why didn't you say goodbye?
Mommy. You're supposed to be going to school.
I am going to school.
Mama's going to school.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Mommy.
Whoa. Hey, Emma. Come out here. How's your bagel?